Hello, Sim Tech Post, new product in from JMbricklayer, and this is the latest idea here. Fantastic idea, mechanical chameleon. So it's an 827 piece F14 and up, and you can see this is kind of a step up above the previous one we did, which was kind of like a historic thing that shot arrows and all that, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much what's on the back, and you have your stuff here on the side and other bits and pieces there. So you've got their emails, all that kind of stuff there, and Twitter and Facebook handles. So that's it. Looks pretty nice indeed, and this is an animal this time around. And they do have lots of other stuff as well. Do check them out, they're pretty cool. If you're into the Lego stuff, we've got a good bit of Lego stuff here. And yeah, that's it. So let's open her up and have a look and see what it consists of, because last time we got a product, it was just a couple of bags and you have to go through it there. So we'll just unbox this one here. I think that's it, and just pop out from this end. No, one more here and one more here, and that's it. All right. So first out is this little guy here. You can see there's a few little parts in there. We've got this guy here, just loose. We've got one bag of stuff here. Excuse me, what? Got another guy here. This looks like the head, or one side of the head anyway. Let's have a little look at that first, really. Yeah, so you can see from the box that's going to be the opposite side. So yeah, so you've more little bits here and part of the body perhaps. A few bags inside. There's another one there. More bits there. Alright, there's a few bits in that one there. That's bag one. They'll all be numbered. So bag 4, bag 2 and bag 3. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4 out of the box. And here's more. Here's bag number 5 and other little bits. And we've got the other shiny parts here. And you've got your booklet. So there's a bit more in this than the previous one, and a bit more technical when it comes to putting all these parts together. So it'd be for the older child or whatever the case is. But then again, there's a lot of younger kids that can fly through these in an hour. This will be probably a couple of days of a job now for me, to be honest. And that's basically what the book would look like inside. So you've got all that, and that's what you can expect. You can turn lights on and off. So there's some kind of batteries inside. You can see any there. Have a look just for curiosity's sake. I presume there's probably a battery of some description in there somewhere if there's lights on it, or whatever the case may be. But that's it there, yeah. So you can see here's the battery operated part here, which will put the lights on and off. And that's it. This plastic bag isn't a toy. So of course, if your kids, keep this away, well away from your kids. Or any pets for that matter, like my dog. It's like a Hoover in the house. Anything that drops on the floor, she's always polite. So you have to be careful as well. Doesn't miss a trick. So that's it. So what we're going to do is start the assembly, get it back, get it up and running, and show you some bits along the way and what the finished product looks like. But it looks pretty cool. See there, nice long tongue catching some kind of fly, as these kind of guys do, chameleons. And you can see here the process 45. So how many processes is there? 268. You won't be doing this in a day anyway. Like the last one, I think it took a day or two. This is a bit different. We've done another one here as well that has 2,000 parts mechanical with lights, and it's a nightmare to do, and we're still doing it. We have it 2 months, and while I'm on the record here, I'm not the only one that's got it in the YouTube community. I know a few others have got it that are really well known, and they haven't completed it yet either, so it's interesting to see how that one fares out. But this is kind of a step down from the next one up, but this is a step up from the previous one that we did, and it looks really cool indeed, and a nice piece to have at your home. So yeah, stay tuned for little bits on the way through, and then we'll have the full product at the end and I'll show you what it's like. So here we are back with the finished product, and it's going to take you a while, a day, just taking your time. And this is what we've got now. It's very delicate, so you just need to be careful, and when you're finished with it, put it in a nice spot. You've all these moving parts, say up here, and this tube is falling out. So it's getting all these tubes done and all that. It's kind of intricate kind of work, but you've got all your moving parts there. You can see how detailed it is. You've even got a light in there. I think my battery's dying, but it looks really nice. You've got your moving eye as well, which is cool, and all the little bits and pieces down here. If you just turn it around, again, you just see these guys moving here. So you got transparent side over here, and of course the legs and all that move. It's just very delicate, so you just need to be careful and place it nicely when you're done. So what we'll do is we'll turn off the light. You can see the light in there. It should be a bit brighter, but the battery has kind of died a bit. It'll just brighten up things a little bit more. It looks really cool. So I'm going to change out that battery, and we'll get another look at that again at later time. I'll just post a photograph of there. But that's basically it, the finished product. And if you're into the kind of Lego stuff like this is here, this is what you're going to get. It's going to be a challenge for you, something to do as well, pass the time. Time will fly, but it's worth it in the end when you see the finished product. Of course, there's a tutorial video we'll link below for you to look at, and do check out their site. So that's there, the Mechanical Chameleon 827 plus pieces. That's it there, what you're going to be getting. Again, just to show you the box, and that's what it's going to look like when it's done. And yeah, pretty cool. Another nice product from the company. I'll drop a link below to where you can pick things up and have a look at our other products as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.